Hi folks, welcome back to our channel where we give you all the tips and tricks for all your remodeling needs. I'm Joe Franti-Gennaro.
And I'm Delina.
And today we're going to go over a question that comes up all the time. What is it you're hearing from the customers?
They want to know how long it takes for a bathroom renovation from start to finish.
From start to finish. Okay, so we have two real phases of bathroom remodel. One is the design, the ordering and the permitting process, and then the construction in the field or in the house.
Mm-hmm.
So the first part of that construction phase is going in and figuring out, what kind of toilet, what kind of plumbing fixtures, the tile colors, the cabinetry, the whole design for the bathroom. Mm-hmm. And we do that ahead of time. We do that, after you have had somebody out to do an estimate. You come into the showroom, you pick out all your materials and put together a design that gives you the final price for your job.
And there's people in there to help us pick
That's right. We have designers that would help you pick out, what color tile goes with this countertop. Once your design is completed and we have a contract, we would then go into the ordering phase and the permitting. So we would do drawings to turn into the building department. We would order the cabinets and the materials. Most materials take a month to 2 months to come in, depending on what you picked out. And the permitting process is about the same. It's about a month and a half to 2 months for the permitting. Mm-hmm. So we would usually give you a starting date on the contract of about 2 months out, month and a half to 2 months. And that way we have all the materials in for your job. And we also have the permit, and we have availability for our crews to be able to start. Then we have the lead carpenter system where we assign a carpenter to the job. Mm-hmm. And on the first day, those guys would come out and they would set up plastic barriers. We would put in a HEPA filtered air scrubber. Mm-hmm. A lot of dust when we're tearing up a bathroom.
Yep.
And then that first week would be demolition and any framing that needs to be done, saw cutting the floor if we're moving the plumbing around. So your first week of actual construction is the demolition and probably starting some framing.
Now, another question, not to interrupt you, but I was just thinking about it. The other question they wanted to know is how long they will not have their toilet.
Okay.
They're always asking because they're watching it go out the door.
The whole length of the job for most bathrooms is 5 to 6 weeks. So easy is 5 to 6 weeks.
No.
But reality, it could be a little earlier than that, because some of that's waiting in there. So if we went through the first week of demolition and framing, second would be all your sub work being done. So plumbing and electric rough ends. We do have inspections that we have to have from the building department. So towards the end of that second week, as we'd be waiting for inspectors to come in. Then once those are done, we would be able to do the drywall and the painting, and then we would start your tile installation. So first week is demo, framing. Second week is plumbing, electrical rough ends, and inspections, hopefully. Third week would be drywall finishing, and towards the end of that, we would be doing the tile installation. And then we would set the cabinets, and also the end of that fourth week. The goal is to try and get your tops templated for your vanity by that third to fourth week, because it takes about 2 weeks for the tops to be made. So there'll be, I tell everybody, you have 2 to 3 weeks of working and then 2 weeks of waiting. Also, we template the glass enclosure.
Oh, yeah.
Most people have a really nice frameless glass enclosure. So those two things, we're waiting for 2 weeks. So it's like work 3, wait for 2, that's 5. And then once the tops are installed, we come back and do the punch out, hook up the plumbing fixtures. So when you're asking about how fast could the toilet be set, once the tile's done, we really could set the toilet, and we do that often.
So a couple weeks in.
So it could be 2 to 3 weeks in, we can get the toilet back in,
Okay.
So that makes a lot of people happy when you get that in there. So the bathroom's not done yet.
Yeah.
You may not have a faucet or be able to use a shower, but you could use the toilet earlier.
Okay.
So that's a big question.
It is a big question.
Yeah. How fast can you get that toilet back in? So. Okay, well, thank you for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe. And for any additional information, please go to tampakitchenandbath.com.